Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Honor 7C, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the portable hotspot on this device. First, let's open the quick panel. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, like this, and here we have hotspot icon. To enable it, simply tap on the icon, like this, and to disable it, tap on the icon again. We can also press and hold on this icon to go to the hotspot settings. Here let's tap on Wi-Fi hotspot, and then tap on setup Wi-Fi hotspot right here. So we can adjust our settings for the hotspot. We can tap on network name to change the name of our network. Below we can tap on security to change the security type. We can scroll down. Tap right here on password to change the password. We can tap on show password to make the password visible. And right here we have select AP band. We can only select 2.4 GHz. And at the bottom we have reset OOB, and we can tap on it to reset the basically settings for our hotspot. Once you're done, simply tap save to save your settings. And you can also enable the Wi-Fi hotspot right here by tapping the slider next to on, and disable it by tapping this slider again. And that's how you enable the portable hotspot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.